Welcome to Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates FC 0 is a catch-up.
Mina khona manje ngihappy kodwa no bezela amagoli yabona asatholanga amagoli kodwa ngihappy mara le bhola esilidlalile fanafi aram football hayi ngasibhola leli bekumele sibabone ukuthi thina sisekazi sodini sithini yabona khona mara well after all ngihappy ngeperformance mara ngikho happy mara ngihappy mara kodwa bathi ikhawe emuva ikhenga phambili ikhawe emuva ngihappy ngale nkwana bangathatha ubheka khona manje wonke ama-matches esiwadlalile back to back isesama man of the match kusho ukuthini lokho
Inkunzi engiyidwayile.
beka inkunzi eyodwa esibayeni isitala salo yamfana lokwenkomo egundile kodwa ikhenga phambili anginawo amaningi kodwa nje ngithi thina asifocus kule game emakumu sibone siphatheleni anginakiya
Don't think ukuthi lokuyistrategi leso ukuthi ningavuli kakhulu because sometimes ukuvula ukuzama uattack usekhaya une 1-0 because lamajita lawa alokuba fast sometimes. So don't think ukuthi lokuyistrategi sakho at least mangivale ngemuva ngisebenzisa umakhoma ngami yazi ukuthi amawing azozama ukuthi maybe I score at least we keep the
okay khona ngiyakuzwa khona I think mina ukoshi yiyo into akatshela abafana ukuthi labafuyezi labo bazofuna ukuhlasela njengoba bebahlasela kule game so thina sikhiphe composure esirelaxeni whenever we get a chance asiye phambili mara thina sibe focused sibe discipline but I think ukuthi i-strategy zaka coach
Atsaka. Usenenye. Usenenye. Yapu. Bobe.